Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can share your screen during meetings on Google Meet, for example, to show your viewers and meeting participants what you're doing on screen. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, start a new meeting. So let me launch that one here just for the sake of this tutorial. And inside your meeting, guys, what you will need to do is click on that button here at the bottom, on that tab, Present Now. That is going to open up that window for you. So here you will be given the opportunity to choose from a variety of sources, display sources to share your screen. Like, for example, the currently open tab in your Chrome browser. So select the tab from that list below, for example. Also make sure that you enable this feature here. Also share tab audio if you'd like to share your audio in that tab with your meeting participants or viewers. And you may also switch to a specific window opened on your computer, like, for example, a software, an application, or a program running in the background, like, for example, a PowerPoint or whiteboard presentation. And what you want to also, guys, is simply share your entire screen. To do that, simply select entire screen here and select your screen here as the main source or the source of your sharing, and that's basically it. Once you have selected with your left mouse, click on share here at the bottom, and that is going to launch the screen recording session. So here you will see your entire screen shared with your meeting participants. So here you can do whatever you like on your screen and guide your viewers through, for example, various tutorials or anything you do on your screen. And that's basically it. Once you're done, simply click on stop presenting here to finish or to end the screen recording session. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. You will then return to the previous screen here, to the previous display, to your normal meeting. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.